Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. I have some really fun before and after video for you. So this morning I'm going to replace my upper burr replacement. So this is brand new from Breville, extremely sharp inside. So I'm really looking forward to this. So I'm gonna pour the shot before and after using my bottomless portafilter. And see, we are going to see the shot quality. Is there any difference there or not? Let's find out. Because I haven't, I had it for about 2 years now, and I haven't replaced the burr yet. So I'm really looking forward to see the difference. So now I'm gonna put the shot. So I got 17.5 grams. So that's what I like to use all the time. So I got 17.5 grams of beans. I got 17.5, almost 17.6 gram in. I got 17.56 gram out. So it's very close there, 17.5. So let's put the shot. So overall, shot quality looks really good, but did you see all the channeling to the sides coming out? So it smells really good. So now what I need to do is now I'm going to clean out the grinder and replace the burr, and then we're going to do the second shot. So I got the old burr out. I mean, as you can, I don't know, I can feel it. It's not dull, but it's not sharp like this brand new ones. Okay, so this is definitely sharper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace with brand new burr. By the way, the both grinder setting, the internal burr setting at number 6, and the both of them at 6. So exactly the same setting. So I'm gonna put this one back in. So now you hear the click noise, which means they're locking in place. Put back on my power. Lock it in here. So now we have another 17.5 gram. Since I cleaned out the grinder, so we're gonna have some huge retention, the difference. So check this out. So we put 17.5 gram in it. I got 17.4. Actually, it's not too bad, guys. This is pretty good. So I'm up by like 0.2 grams. So I'm just gonna put 1 beans in it, just to make sure we got everything. It's me, or it just looks, this jar looks a lot worse than the first jar, the before we replaced the burr replacement. But you know what? Let's try anyway. It's okay. I mean, comes to taste, same as one before. It's not making any difference there. Exactly same good espresso, but I was hoping for with the new burr replacement, we're gonna get a better shot, which means no channeling. And we still saw, you guys just saw a lot of channeling for the second shot as well after we replaced the burr. I wonder we have to wait. I wonder we have to use it for a while to break in that brand new burr, those sharp edges. Anyway, if you have any thoughts on that, please leave me in the comment. Let's see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and see you guys next time.